Hello everybody on YouTube. This is J.4 with more Minecraft. I've been really wanting to play a lot more. I haven't played in a really long time. But first I just really want to admire, look at this background. Look at how much Lifeboat has changed. It's changed dramatically. So I'm just going to start playing some mini games. Since I've freed up a ton of space on my iPhone finally. Most of them were videos that I deleted. So let's just jump right into it. I pressed the wrong button by accident, but I don't care. So I'm just gonna go back into first person here really quick, and then let's go play some mini games. Look at this. There's even speed boost. Let's actually play some Block Party, because this sounds fun. Welcome to the what? Oh, there we go. For a second, it was glitching out. I was like, wait, what? What's happening? Okay. Yeah, there's only one, so let's go. Oh, gosh. So, yeah, I've been really busy lately with summer school and stuff. And let me just tell you what I have to do in summer school, while I do this gameplay. So, basically, we redid stuff that I already did because I failed that class for first semester, but not second semester. But yeah, and it just really sucks. It really sucks because I already know this stuff. That's why the final was super easy, because I already knew half of the stuff. I already knew everything. I literally got like a freaking B+ on this, on the final. Yeah, it was pretty, I just didn't want to take that test. And I'm waiting for the next color. What else? So, me and Christian have a video that, I do not know when will come up, but it will come up eventually. And, it's a Let's Play. I'll say that, but you will probably guess the game that we're gonna play, because it's pretty obvious what we're gonna play. Yeah, we basically started a new world, and we have all this cool stuff already, and we already got like a house too. It's great. It's all great stuff. But yeah, I keep on saying but. I'm trying my best to talk normally, but it's really hard to do that. Okay, purple. Because I'm weird. A lot of people like us are weird, and you know, I just think that it's more comfortable if I talk the way I talk, even though sometimes I stutter a lot, but usually when I talk to people in real life, I don't really stutter that much. Wow, I'm just talking away. Someone's on the same block with me. Okay, good, they're off. Mary Had a Little Lamb is playing in the background right now. Okay, yellow. Hey, yellow. Did I win? Yay, I won! Yay! Yeah, let's go for one more round. Actually, you know what? No, I feel like, we should be, I think, you know what? No, we'll go for one more round. Actually, no. Sorry. You know, I'll just play some more mini games and tell stories in the background. Let me know if you like it. I'm probably gonna make another video today. Might, and I might not. You never know with me. Yeah. So, that's all there is for today. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, because I will be making. Whoa, that was a weird zoom in on my face. I will be making more I'm oddly close to her, because I will be making more very soon. So, catch you later. Bye-bye. Actually, guys, wait. Before I leave, I just want to say this. I have an Instagram now. Yes, I do. You can go and follow JC_40. Words. Okay, my username is J as in like JAY underscore C44. You could go follow me on Instagram. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.